Is your website loading slower than you'd like? Here's the truth. Sometimes it's not your theme, or your plugins, or even your content. It's your hosting. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 common ways hosting companies could be dragging down your site's performance, and I'll show you a solution at the end of the video. The first way hosting might be slowing down your website is overloaded servers. Many budget hosting providers pack thousands of websites onto the same server. Think of it like an apartment building where everyone shares the same plumbing. If one person leaves the tap running, everyone else suffers. When one website on that server gets a huge traffic spike, it slows down all the others. This shared resource model is one of the most common causes for poor website performance. Luckily, there's a solution. I'll tell you what it is at the end of this video. The second way hosts slow down websites, even if it's inadvertent, is outdated technology. Some hosts don't keep up with modern server technology. If they're running old versions of PHP, slow hard drives instead of solid-state hard drives, or outdated caching systems, your site will feel sluggish. Just upgrading to a host that supports the latest PHP versions can often cut your page load times by half. The third way hosting can slow down your site is weak caching and CDN options. Caching and content delivery networks, or CDNs, are like having express lanes for your content. But many hosts either don't include caching at all, or they offer very limited setups. Without proper caching, your server has to rebuild every page from scratch each time someone visits, which wastes time and resources. A good hosting provider will have built-in caching and direct CDN integrations to keep your site fast worldwide. The fourth way hosts slow down websites is poor resource allocation. Even if you're paying for a plan that promises unlimited bandwidth or storage, the truth is nothing is unlimited. Some hosts silently throttle your CPU or memory usage, which means your site slows down during peak traffic. These limits aren't always visible on the sales page, but you definitely feel them when your site crawls. The fifth way hosts slow down websites is lack of proactive monitoring and security. If your host doesn't actively monitor for malware or server downtime, your site's performance can tank without you even knowing it. A hacked site or an unpatched vulnerability often leads to massive slowdowns. Quality hosts not only keep their servers patched, but they also monitor everything. So if performance is looking like it's going to spiral down the toilet, they jump in to correct whatever is wrong. So what can you do if your host is guilty of any of the 5 things I just described? First, don't panic. Run a speed test on your site. Check your PHP version. Look for built-in caching tools that your host offers. They might offer some that you don't even know about. If your current hosting provider is cutting corners in any of these areas, though, it may be time to consider a managed hosting solution that prioritizes security and performance. A slow website doesn't just frustrate visitors, it also costs you SEO rankings, conversions, sales, you name it. Your hosting is the foundation of your online presence, and if it's holding you back, upgrading could be the easiest win you'll ever get. That's one reason I recommend you check out Kinsta. They are a managed host. They use Google Cloud's premium tier network, automatic caching, a built-in CDN, and proactive monitoring to keep your site lightning fast and secure. It's not the cheapest option, but if your website is central to your business, it can be the most cost-effective option in the long run. Check out the Kinsta case studies. There's a link in the description down below. You'll read all about businesses just like yours that have benefited from moving to managed hosting. And next, check out this video right here. This is all about speeding up your website with one of the best speed up plugins out there. You need a solid host, a solid speed up plugin, then your website's super fast. So make sure you check out that video, and I'll see you there.